sa aming mga traders, laging nandun kami lagi sa scarcity, lalo na po yung mga beginners. Nandun lagi sila sa scarce na every choice that they make, dapat may babalik.
Invitation ko sa iyo is to make sure that your ultimate number one non-negotiable priority is peace of mind. I should say joy. Number 3 is fulfillment. And number 4 is freedom. And the way you do that is really do your number one, inner work. Which means have an intentional living wherein you intend to live a life moment to moment that you have all of this for. And the way you do that really is what I call extreme self-care. Extreme self-care is really just taking care of the money-making machine. That when you start taking care of the money-making machine, that you feel whole, you feel perfect. And then if money is what you want, bigla na lang siyang lumalapag. Kasi nga, yun yung energy mo sa loob. Yun yung nai-invite mo. Yun yung nai-invite mo. So kaya nawawala, kaya dumarating, kaya natakot ka kasi nakafocus ka sa kawalan versus focus ako na gusto ko ang feeling ko araw-araw buong buo. Talagang expanded. Hindi siya contracted. Because when you expanded, parating, when you contracted, kung darating man, masikip, biglang mawala, hanapin mo. Nakakapagod yun, no?